Hey, hello, welcome to Craft with Angela. Thanks for stopping in to check out this video. In this video, I will be chalk painting this green TV stand. It's actually considered a dry sink, and I believe this was made in the 80s or 90s. I bought it at a garage sale many years ago, and it was definitely time for a fresh coat of paint. The only prep work I did before painting this was that I scrubbed it down real good with white vinegar and then wiped it off with a damp rag and let it dry. I did not do any sanding, and I did not use any primer. The paint I used is Dixie Bell's mineral chalk paint. The color I used on this piece is called Fluff. Here is a quick sneak peek of how this project turned out. So without further ado, let's get into this chalk paint DIY. As you can see in this video clip, there is a container of Waverly chalk paint. I thought that I had another container of Dixie Bell, and I did not. And as you know, when you're in the middle of a project, you don't want to stop and go to the store. So I pulled out my Waverly chalk paint, and the colors were very close. I used the color Ivory Waverly chalk paint, and since my goal was to have a rustic finish for this piece, I wasn't worried about the shades being off just a tad. But to be honest, looking at the finished product, you cannot even tell. And if you don't know, you can get Waverly chalk paint at Walmart. Okay, so I started this project in the middle of the day, and I actually have two projects going. I've got a table that I'm doing, and it had to be stained and let dry. It's still drying, and it's dark now, so I'm not going to be able to varnish it tonight, but I thought I would come in and work on this. You can see the side is still green. It's dark now, and I have horrible lighting, and yes, I'm doing this in my living room. So this side is still green. So the outside almost has one coat, but I've still got to do the inside. And that's it. Here's the finished product. As you can see, I did lose one of my wood buttons, so I will have to get a new one and get it painted and stick it in there. But I'm really happy with the way this turned out. It's beautiful. It's white, it's rustic, and believe it or not, I only used one coat of paint on this piece. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy craft and DIY content, please like and subscribe to this channel. Have a beautiful day and be blessed.